of my adventures happen in my Prius. But this birthday, we traded it for our camper. The plan was simple, just me, the kids, and a few relaxing days by the lake. But halfway through the trip, someone I wasn't expecting pulled into our campsite.
Today's my actual birthday and I'm so excited because...
And it turned out to be the best birthday I've ever had.
We just arrived at our campsite and I have to say I did a great job pulling the trailer by myself. Let's go check it out. What a view. This might be the best campsite in the park and quite possibly the best campsite we've ever stayed at. We finally got the camper set up and ready. It took about an hour, but let me show you what it looks like before we trash it. Evelyn and Levi playing on the beach.
Levi loves metal detecting.
Get it! Levi, get it! Get it! I don't know, I found this thing. It's got like a switch on it and it's got like a little light on there.
Huh.
But it looks like you can tie it off to something.
Neat. And there's Kobe, wandering around as always.
Dude, Levi! Woo! Up there, Levi.
Tonight's dinner is chili.
Yum!
Green bean chili.
Is it
It's
cold
really
enough?
hot.
It's
All right, release him.
got a fish.
Oh yeah, he's alive.
There he goes.
So I don't know if it's because the night air is a little thinner, but the echo has gotten a lot louder. So take a listen. Okay, go. Say something else. today's my actual birthday, and I'm so excited because Andy surprised us and showed up today to hang out with me. I was like, and here we are on our luxury liner. 1, 2.
Oh, you spilled my beer.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Woo! Cannonball! Wow, I was not expecting that. Ready? All right, 3, 2, 1.
Flippy.
It's deep, right?
Yes.
Yes, very deep.
Flippy. Golly.
Are we going back? Oh, we're going back. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Well, look, Kobe's coming for cake. He's like, oh wait, we're having food. Okay, now I can open gifts. Yay! It's my blanket! No, this is actually really cool. It's a very thin little tiny blanket for picnics that you can put in your pocket or for hiking, so when you're out and about, you can just sit on your tiny windproof, well not windproof, but sandproof sheet. Ta-da! Oh, okay. Do you even know why I want these? One, they're awesome because they attach.
Oh, suction
Yeah,
cup.
you can put them on the cars and stuff like that. But what I really want them for?
Window shield or for the back?
Yep, I want to redesign for the back window and actually have these, so we don't have to use those curtain rods and snap them in. Oh, you're gonna like this one. Yay! Guess what you guys are getting in school lunches?
Uncrustables.
And Nutella
Fake
too.
Uncrustables.
Double gifts. Oh, these are these. Another pair of leggings, but in black. And last one is a nightgown I can wear tonight. Yay!
Oh,
I know. But I think these have been on my list for like 2 years. See? Isn't it cute?
that looks like
Where's
your
the other?
Playboy Mansion ones.
Playboy. Oh. This is really pretty. I love this color. Thank you. Yay! This is really good. This is a good 5 gifts. I'm backed up. The best gift was having you come up to see us. Nah, this is going to be honest.
He just won't let go of that.
Here we go. Levi's helping. You gonna help carry it? Bring it to the fire. There you go, boy. Oh, he's like, no, don't burn it. It's my stick. Yep. Yay! So exciting. Oh, it's bubbling out. Woohoo! Pour it in. That's sexy. Don't mind if I do. All right. Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. I'm gonna turn this to my own face.
She's doing a video.
Oh.
Are you
Yep.
smoking like it's a photo?
Yeah, I was.
That's totally stiff.
Some
Freeze frame.
dirt.
My birthday celebration may have been over, but our camping adventure wasn't. After Andy and Evelyn head home, Zane and I decide to stay one more night. Join us next week as we explore more of this beautiful campground and see where our extra day takes us.